Hello. So we're still out, back out. Fuck, I'm losing track. Still out. We'll say this one's still out, right? I did a wee kind of video earlier on in the week of this new tarp that I've got. So tonight I'm going to spend the night in it, see what it's like. As well as that, I'm going to do a bit of cooking. So it's cooking tonight. Wait to see this. Well, you know, see I'm quite ex, I've got them wrapped up. But I've made up not one, not two, but 3 of these bad boys. So, stay tuned, you'll see what they are. On top of that, I'll do a wee shout out for Fire Chef, who's a company that sent me this bit of gear. So what I'll do, I'll flip you around and I'll show you this. I've only actually used this once before to cook, it was like a rack of ribs, but tonight I've got something different. But I just thought, the rain's off, we'll get a wee open fire going, we'll cook these up over the open fire. But anyway, enough of me babbling on, I'll show you this Fire Chef thing. You might have seen it already if you've seen the previous video I did on this, but it's actually quite a neat bit of kit. So I'll turn you around and I'll show you what it looks like. Right, so this is the Fire Chef grill. So it's actually a really neat bit of kit. What it does, it just slides onto this pole. Right, so you basically sling that into the ground, and then what you can do is you can lower this, you can rise it up, and what it does, it just sticks in that position. Right, so obviously get the wee, once you get your food in it, sorry, once you get your food in it, this obviously thing is over the top, and that kind of holds the main part of it shut. But it's a good bit of kit, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to get a wee fire going, get some to eat. Sounds good to me. This is an existing fire pit that I use all the time, so what I'll do, as always, I'm just going to cheat. I've no belt spark, I've no ferro rod, I've got a trusty couple of fire lighters, and I've prepped a few logs, so I'll stick that on as well, and then we'll be good to go. Right folks, fire on. So what we'll do is, we'll crack open a cider. Well, we'll try and crack open a cider. There we go. Jobs are good. Right, so I'm going to let the fire kind of take hold a bit. I'll let that kind of burn down. Once there's a good bit of heat coming off it, we'll stick on these bad boys that I've got prepared. So the night's yet young. Like I say, we're going to be spending the night in the hammock, but I've got this new tarp, so we'll see what it's like tonight. Stay tuned. Right, let's get these on. So like I say, it literally just lifts up. I'm going to leave them in the tin foil first of all, just to kind of cook them a wee bit, and then I'll brown them off. Once I kind of cook through. But handy wee bit of kit, especially if you've got an open fire outside, definitely does the trick. So, looking forward to eating these, all marinated, fantastic. So I'm just gonna let them cook away. I don't know, maybe take about 20 minutes or something. I'm just gonna sit back and chillax out in the woods. Oh, I just love this, love it, love it. But I think these will taste pretty good. Right, what I'll do is I'll just tell you what they are. Right, what I did was, so I'm just going to move that down a wee bit. I marinated overnight. It's barbecue, Brazilian barbecue kebabs. Oh, great. I've had these before, but it's a lovely marinade, absolutely lovely. A wee bit of kick to it, but really nice. So, as well as that, I chopped up a bit of onion, pepper, a wee bit of garlic and that, and I've basically put that all into skewers. So, it's chicken kebabs, Brazilian chicken kebabs tonight. A tasty snackaroonie. But enjoyed I finally managed to get a wee snow camp in at the weekend there. Oh, it's just great. Something about snow, you've just got to love it, don't you? There's hardly any down here. Seeing to see some of the photos and that online over the last few days, just especially up north and maybe more over the kind of east coast. It's just, it looks as if there's tons of it. And obviously because I can't travel out with my council area, I'm basically stuck. So I went to the one place where I thought, it's still in South Ayrshire, but I thought there might be some snow. I did get a wee kind of tip off with somebody that I work with. They said that their friend's daughter had been sledging that day, so that's where I went. And very, very lucky, there was a wee bit of snow. Wasn't much, but it was a bit of snow. So what I did, well, you've probably seen the video, I hiked up in the dark. There was actually probably more snow at the start of where I started hiking than was up the top. The top was quite exposed, but it was just good. It's just good. Just been out and feeling that, see that crunching sound, see that crunching sound under your feet, the snow. Oh, it's just great, fantastic. So enjoyed that, but hopefully we'll get a bit more snow this year and get a couple of snow camps in. I did hike the top hill and it was in my wee GoPro tent I'd used, so it was cold at the top, and in my hot tent and it's too heavy to carry that kind of distance, especially at the top of the hill. Whereas tonight I've got the hammock and that new tarp, so I'll be toasty warm in that with under blanket and my Arctic bag, be good to go. But fingers crossed, let's say we get a wee bit more snow. It'd just be so good just to get a decent bit of snow and get a few snow camps in this year. But we'll just have to wait and see whether or not that'll happen. Who knows? It depends on all these lockdown measures, whether or not you can kind of travel out with your area. But I'm hoping that stops again. Well, it'll be by the time I posted this video, we'll probably review it again, so we'll wait and see. But who knows? Right now all I can think about is my Brazilian chicken kebabs. But you know they're going to taste good. Oh, I cannot wait. Nom nom nom. Talking about chicken kebabs, I can kind of hear them sizzling there. Oh, I can't wait to eat them, I really can't. So, just out there kind of local woodland again tonight. But I do have a wee holiday next Monday, so that means I'll be able to do a late night Friday night, I'll do my Saturday night live, and then I can go and do another camp somewhere else on the Sunday night as well. Excellent. 3 nights in a row. Fantastic. We've got to love it. Oh, that's a good dinner treat. Very, very nice this. Tin foil off. Right. Eyes full of smoke there. Right. These are the Brazilian barbecue chicken kebabs. Oh, these are going to taste so good. Oh, these are definitely looking good. Oh, fantastic. Brazilian barbecue kebabs time. Right, so I went dark side rhubarb. Well, I reckon it'll be below the zeros tonight. But what? So I know it has all went dark. I'm gonna get these kebabs on just directly. Oh, I'm gonna taste. Oh, the lighting man's is not happening tonight. But I'm gonna get these chicken kebabs any second now. Oh, I can't wait. They're gonna taste superb. Well, I reckon these are good to go. What do you think? Oh, aye. Oh, yes. Right, time to dig in, I think. Dinner time. So, here we go. Oh, look at that. I'll just shed a bit of light in that. Oh, look at them. That looks good to me. Right, time for the taste test. Superb. Oh, that really is. That's top banana. Oh, highly recommend. Absolutely immense. So I'm going to dig into these and I'll bring it back. It's eating time. One down. Time for number 2. Oh, lovely. These really are good. Bon appetit. That's me fed. Oh, they were good. They were very good. So I'm just going to sit by the fire now, chillax. As you do. That's just pure heaven. Absolute heaven. So, comments below, anybody else been out? Was anybody else out at the weekend? Anybody out camping? I know it's winter, but it's only winter, isn't it? I mean, hope you weren't sitting in the house watching mundane telly, naked. I'm actually just off the phone there to my big pal G. So he's just got the Hex Plus. So I think he's pleased with it. Hex Plus, and he's got the Outbacker stove, but it's not the basic one. I think it's the kind of square one. So he says he's set it up out his back door to test it out. So him and his daughter, Sophie, you shout out for Sophie. Him and his daughter, they're sitting out the back testing it out. Says it's like an oven. Well, they are. They're great tents. Absolutely fantastic. So I think he's kind of quite pleased with it. So hopefully that'll be another. We'll maybe get a group hot tent camp at some point. But it's been a good wee night. I'm not going to have a late one tonight. I'll probably end up, I don't know. I think I've got another wee side at the sink. Drink that, then I'll be off to my bed. Well, I'm saying bed, my hammock. My hammock and my shiny new tarp. So it's looking quite good there in the background, isn't it? So I'm looking forward to trying that out. Well, it's been a good wee night. Down to the last one. Cheers. Right, it's time to get into the hammock, I think. We're in. Right, well, it's been a good wee night, but it's time for bed. So, I'm going to say good night. Bring you back in the morning. Sayonara. Good night. Oh, brilliant sleep. Right, it's time to get up. Let's see what it's like. It's at 9 o'clock. So, I'm going to get out this hammock. Right, let's get out the sleep bag. Well, we're out the sleep bag, aren't we? Let's see what kind of day it is. Oh, good. It's going to be a good day. Right, first things first, let's get the hammock ribbon down, packed away. Right, all packed up. So, tent's down, tarp's down, new tarp, great, wasn't it? So, the Onewind tarp, I'm actually quite impressed with it, it's actually a pretty good tent. So, that's more or less it. Just gonna pack, well, I have packed up, so I'm gonna basically head down the road now. I was on the park, ready to rock and roll. So as ever, everybody, thanks for watching. Give it a wee thumbs up if you don't mind. Hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. You know the score. And thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Adios.